right there.
Good morning, guys.
Like you almost can swim there.
Day 2 of Panama. We're on a boat. I'm on a boat. Walking through the jungles of Panama.
This is not the jungle.
I know, it's not remotely close, but there's some jungle. Cool little beachfront property. How cool this is, guys. It's only a $1 boat ride from the main island here, but I think we should have paid the $2 to get to the beach because now we're lost. So if y'all can guess already, we're at the beach. So we're on this little island called, I forget, I don't know what it's called, but it's a $1 taxi ride from Bocas, the main town. So we're just chilling at the beach right now. It's pretty cool and the water is amazing. So we'll probably chill here for a little bit, grab some lunch. We made some sandwiches, grab some beer. And then we're gonna head to this place called the Aqua Lounge. It's like a little lounge right across over the water, which is pretty cool. But the water, look how clear the water is. So dope. So dope. What are you collecting, seashells? You're gonna need another one for the other side. We're walking and exploring the jungle. No, we were just taking photos and then I fell in and it was really funny, but we didn't catch it on camera.
Hilarious.
In my memory.
Hey, do you want to go out there?
I don't care. Or you guys want to head back?
I don't care. I mean, are you tired? I'm good. We got Well, we got half her sandwich and water.
We're good to go. We can survive on that.
Sandwich and water, that's it.
I'm trying to go there. Woo! Look how cool this is, guys. So we were like right there earlier. Now we're like here in a little cove. We're like on a little peninsula. Like there's a little drop off right there. Alright guys, what is up? It is day 4 in Panama. I didn't vlog yesterday because I didn't have a memory card and I didn't really do anything. We just sit at the hostel all day. Here's my friend Ronnie. Say hola.
Hi.
And there's like a dark thing over there. So we rented bikes. We're gonna go to this beach called the Bluff. We'll bring my GoPro again so we can see. And then apparently like Halloween's like a super big thing here. So we'll see. I don't have a costume. I don't know. This is what happens when you practice. Practice makes perfect, guys. Whoa, never mind.
Well, you still need practice then.
Oh yes, look. Look. Whoa! So we just left the hostel and we're on our way to this place called Bluff. We're taking a break because we rented these bikes for the day. And Damiano's over there. Hi! Rob's behind me. And the beach is right next to me. Over there, right there. That's where our hostel is, somewhere over there. We actually went really far, huh? Finally made it to our destination. We're at this place called Scully's, up and down the road. Little bar right on the beach. Look at this. Crystal clear water. Beach life right here.
Sweet though, like not good. You like it sweet or too sweet?
Neither nor.
It's too mean. Oh, shh. Talk about island life, guys. Just chilling here on my swing. Looking at the beautiful ocean. I know there's a tree. Go ahead. Rob and Damiano over there. Somewhere? There? Right there? Just chill on the beach. Enjoying a good day. You know, sometimes when you work really hard, you know, just spend that extra cash and, you know, travel the world and explore. You know, even if your stuff gets stolen, you know, or, you know, you just change a chapter in your life, you just gotta relax. Take a break away from everything, from reality, and just take care of yourself. Recharge. Because it feels really good. Break your shoulder? Oh shit.
Really easy. Take care. You have to, yeah, just push with the right.
Shit.